Greetings, everybody. I'm here in Paris with Kim Cousteau at the Innovation Summit. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
All right. So, Peter Harvick, the CEO of Schneider, yesterday introduced a product called Connect and made it sound like it's the heart of Schneider Electric business. Maybe, what is it? And out of 109 products from AVEVA, what goes into that?
Yes, okay, good question. I think the important thing to note around Connect is it is the place that converges those 109 products, right? And more, actually, when you consider Schneider Electric software components. But it's the heart of what sort of brings it all together. And as I was just saying, in this keynote, is really more around the fact that you need that data layer. A strong foundation of data is critical for the visualization, it's critical for AI, it's critical for the digital twin. And so all of those products contribute data to Connect, right? So we contribute data, we're producers of data that we contribute, and then with the visualization and investments we make in Connect, we contribute back to those products that we talked about, right?
Got it. Now, if I'm a customer in Detroit or Cleveland, what exactly am I getting? Is it on-prem? Is it in cloud? Where does it reside?
Well, I think the beauty of this is hybrid architecture is here to stay in the industrial world, right? So when you have an HMI SCADA system, right, or you are working in a power plant and you've got a PI system, those are on-prem. But the beauty of that is that you can share that content. So what the SCADA produces, what the PI system produces, that data is relevant for all kinds of decisions that get made in the enterprise. So the ability to publish and create content in Connect will then give you that opportunity. And so making it an enterprise solution means it doesn't matter where you are, right?
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Now, maybe double click a little bit, zero in for a small to mid-sized companies. What opportunities are there with Connect?
Well, okay, so certainly what I've been talking about so far is what AVEVA and what Schneider Electric can contribute to Connect. But there are an ecosystem of partners that have very specific applications that are fit for purpose, that are built from a ground of SMEs. So if you think about sustainability and organizations, small software companies that can build out carbon capture or different kinds of applications, those can be provided on Connect. And so now for a small to mid-sized company, when you're looking through the window of Connect, you have access to this ecosystem of organizations that have built to solve problems in this space.
Got it. Thank you for that. So now, transition to digital industrial solution often brings significant shifts to workforce roles and responsibility. How does Connect empower these employees?
I hate to say the word data again, because we seem to always be talking about it, but honestly, as the workforce changes and new engineers are coming into the business, they need the experience that 30 or 40-year veteran had. Now, how do you do that? You do that through looking at data in new lenses. You look at the generative AI example that we did here, where really what that's doing is very quickly accessing data to give you a response. That response can then further conversation, with the workforce, just narrows down the potential decision that the human makes. So the generative AI is really to create context, grab data, give it to you very quickly, and then allow you to make that decision.
Right. How much of that data is it built into the system? So for instance, a new customer in, let's just take it, manufacturing.
Yes.
You have lots of data from the pie chart accumulated over 1,000 years or even more. Any of that data helps maybe a new customer manufacturing to leverage that. Is there built in that knowledge?
Well, it is, but individually by customer, right? So the customer controls the content.
Right.
It's their data. They decide what they share. They decide how they disseminate that either to partners or even within their own organization, of course. And so they have ultimate control over all of that. We don't really have that kind of access to the data. We're really the purveyors of the content.
Got it. Now, industrial twin concept or digital twin or intelligent actually has different.
Yes.
is central to AVEVA's vision to future of manufacturing. Maybe can you elaborate how Connect enhances this capability of digital twins or intelligent twins?
I think the key benefit here is that it brings together disparate parts of an organization that were siloed. So in manufacturing now, an individual in operations or maintenance can, in one window, see the real-time process or production content tied to the engineering content. So if you're a maintenance person and you're trying to determine a course of action, you have examples or you have content from engineering on what it's supposed to do, you have manuals and documents at your disposal, and you have the real-time operating mode of the asset, all in one window.
Got it. Thank you, Kim. And sustainability is increasingly becoming a core component of industrial strategies for many companies. How does Connect contribute to their sustainable operations?
I think in the end, there's use cases certainly where you bring that data together to solve sustainability problems, and we do that with our customers already today, right? Where we've got examples of use cases that are driving their ESG agendas, right? But in the end, cloud, of course, brings together that content to make things faster, more efficient, and safer, and all of those things in combination create a more sustainable world.
Got it. Thank you, Kim. Now, one last question. Hanover is around the corner.
Yes.
What are you most looking forward towards that?
Hanover is going to be great. We're part of the Schneider Electric booth at Hanover Messe, and we've got all kinds of great demos to come and see. This is products that we're launching, products that are existing today that we want customers to have a feel for. So I think at Hanover you'll get hands-on experience.
Thank you, Kim, and stay tuned. And leverage the hashtag on the screen, then we'll make sure Kim and her team will answer the questions.
Great. Thank you.